Okay, so I came out and I was going to play around with the drone. Forgot my memory card, so I came over to HEB and in Summerwood to go get a memory card. Didn't have one. Came back outside, went to start the charger, and it no starting. Well, actually, it started and then it died almost immediately. So Ethan and Logan came and helped me. We pushed it out here in the middle of the parking lot. We cranked it and it finally caught, and then as soon as I hit the gas it died. So it sounds like the motor, the fuel pump is going out. So looks like we got a new project to work on. Yay.